welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda and I think you know that already, but if you don't know, my name is Linda and today we'll be creating some green and white Christmassy makeup look. I'm sure you've seen it from the thumbnail already, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. I'm going to do my brows off camera because we don't have time to waste, so I'll see you after I'm done with my brows. So guys, I've gone ahead and I've done these eyes. I got carried away for a bit so I'm going to go ahead and do these eyes, and I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see. So first of all, I want to apologize for any noise. Can you imagine I'm apologizing on behalf of Nigerian government because there's no light. There's never light. Anytime I do a look, there's never light. So let's just go ahead and just do this video. Don't worry, we move as usual. Yeah, so I'm going in with this concealers. This one is by H&E, Hegai and Esther, and this one is by Noban Beauty. Like Nigerian brands though, y'all are trying, like people are like giving it to us back to back, like, and we appreciate you people. So I'm going with this too, as I said earlier, so let's get on with it. I'm just going to mix both of them on my area. I'm using my beauty blender. This is the best beauty blender I've ever gotten in the whole wide world. I don't know where it's from. I think it's from Hegai and Esther. Either Hegai and Esther or I don't know. I'll link it here when I remember. So I'm just going to blend as usual. You see that blend? That's what I needed. So just blend this in like that. Can you guys believe that Christmas is on Friday? Like today is Monday, just so you know. Today is Monday, just so you know, and Christmas is on Friday. I'm not even feeling it. I think I'm going to wear one headband like that so I can feel it. I'm going on with this shade of green from my Blossom palette. This shade of green is called Galactic. I don't know, anyways, this shade of green here. And I'm going to pack that on my crease. Yellow shade right here, and I'm going to use that to blend. back with the dark green, and I'm just going to use that to blend the white first. I'm going to use that to blend the NY Jumbo pencil first, and then I'm going in with the lighter green, the energy, and I'm just going to use that to blend the darker green in it. So the transition is similar. I'm going with this Iron Cosmetics compact finishing powder, and I'm just going to use that to set my NY Jumbo pencil. So taking this ABH palette, I'm going to use this lipstick right here. It's called Primary 3, and I'm going to use that to draw this line like I did here. Some mistakes here, or I'm going to leave it like that and keep it pushing. I'm just going to manage it. I'm not perfect. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. So I'm going with my Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint, and I'm going to use it to dip in the red because it's not red enough for me. We're almost done with the eyes. Now I'm going to fix my lash off camera. This is from WYNNKLASHES. And I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm back from fixing my lashes, and this is how they look. Anyways, I'm going in with this CM Essentials Luminous Moisturizer, and I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty primer. My glow, I'm going in with the Taos Cosmetics Glow Drop. Now that I have drenched myself with some glue drop, I'm going to color correct, and I'm using this Black Power Stick Foundation in Coral. As usual, I'm just going to perfect all my and I'm just going to perfect all my imperfections. Now I'm going with my best foundation at the moment, Hegai and Esther Photo Perfect Foundation in Carrot. love this, like with all my heart. But I don't know why my phone isn't working, so I have to like pull it out like this. This is the only thing that annoys me. Besides that, everything else is fine. I'm not going to pack that on my skin, not too much, just a little bit. My Hegai and Esther concealer in the shade So Gorgeous. Okay, I don't know what's called. Oh, I don't know now. Just that's what it's called. I'm just going to use that to highlight my Alright guys, I'm done contouring, I'm done highlighting. Now it's time for me to set everything I've done. Guys, it's time for me to finally try this. I'm just going to be setting my face with this Fenty Beauty setting powder. Guys, this powder smells amazing. It really does smell amazing. Like, it smells like one candy that my sister and I used to enjoy with me. set my contour, I'm going in with the ABH contour palette. This one right here, and I'm just going to use it to set my contour. Actually contoured the living daylight out of my face, and this is what it's looking like. I kind of like it though. So guys, back to my eyes. I'm going to use the ABH lipstick palette I used earlier, and I'm going to use the red lip paint, and I'm just going to put it in my waterline. Fingers crossed. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's coming out pretty nice. I'm going to do the other side. Waterline. I'm going to draw a red line here and here, and that'll be it. So I'll see you guys when I'm done.